Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how you can set OK Google alarm in your POCO smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it. So let's start friends. First you have to just say here, hey Google, set a alarm. And you can see friends, when you just say this to it, you have to write what alarm for, like 6 a.m, 7 a.m, like this. And if you want to do so, then you have to long press your assistant. First you have to recognize your voice in it by clicking on hey Google. Here you can see hey Google and voice match. If you have not watched my video, then I give my video in the description, you can watch it. Then long press the button this and say hey Google, set alarm for 6 a.m. and friends, you can see the alarm is set, you can see. And if you want to delete, hey Google, delete the alarm of 6 a.m. and friends, you can see it is deleted. You have to just long press it and delete. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.